Today we have 5 Fisher-Price SUVs and vans. There are different characters in each car. We will see which one drives the farthest with one push. In 0315 silver SUV, we have Dougie. In the Dolphin Water City white Fisher-Price SUV, it's Maca. In the Park Full of Flowers and Trees purple and pink SUV, we have, ooh, somebody's hiding in the back. It's a Teletubby, Tinky Winky. I didn't even know he was in here. He must have gotten stuck from our last video where all of the vehicles were outside in a parade. Okay, so the driver of this SUV is Woody from Toy Story. Hey, howdy, hey! In the aqua blue FP2000 van, we have Daddy Pig.
Are we there yet? Buckle up, everyone.
And in the Lovin' Fam silver van, we have a Sesame Street friend. It's Ernie.
Cool tune.
We're almost there.
Okay, we're ready to start. I'm going to push one vehicle at a time. Dougie is first. Whoa! Now we have Maca. He didn't get quite as far as Dougie. Now it's Woody's turn. Whoa! He went pretty far too. Now it's Daddy Pig. Ooh, it's going to be close, tiny fans. Finally, Ernie. Let's see who the winner is. In 5th place, we have Maca. And in 4th, we have Ernie from Sesame Street. 3rd place is Daddy Pig. And it was a close tie for first. It's between Woody and Dougie. And we can clearly see Dougie is farther and he is the winner. So Woody is in 2nd place. And everyone cheer for the winner. It's Dougie. We hope you enjoyed our competition. If you love our videos, hit the link below to subscribe. Thank you and goodbye. It's a big tow truck. Used to be bright yellow, but the sun has faded it. It's the Paw Patrol gang, and we're heading to the beach today. Let's go. On our way to the beach, we need to grab a shovel. This pink one will do, but it's dirty. Let's hose it off. All clean. Hey, look, it's Big Pop. Big Pop loves the water spray. Oh! We're at the beach. Rubble, are you ready to fill the dump truck full of sand? Good job. Now what are we going to do with a big dump truck load full of sand. Well, there's a big hole just below the stairs onto the beach, and we don't want somebody to trip and fall. Rubble gets in the control seat. It's time to back up, Rubble. And you tell Rubble to stop when he needs to stop backing up so he doesn't back up into the hole. Stop, Rubble, stop! Good job. All right, it's time to pull the lever. Perfect. Hey, wait. I see something. What is it? It's a walrus. Whew. That was some hard work. It's so hot. I think it's time to cool off in the water. I think Puppy wants to go for a paddleboard too, but we still forgot his life jacket. So we'll just stay in the shallow part. Which of the pups doesn't like water? Isn't it Rocky? Rocky's gonna stay behind and park the truck in the shade so that the sun doesn't fade it anymore. Good idea. Come on, Puppy. We're going to the beach, and you can ride the paddleboard. Good boy. That was a big jump for such a tiny little dog. The Paw Patrol pups are going to dive underwater and look for hidden surprises. Zuma loves to go underwater. Here we go. Oh, I don't see anything yet. Let's keep swimming, Zuma. Zuma can hold his breath for about a minute. I think I see something over here. Oh, yes, what is it? It's green and it's a gem. Let's bring it up to the surface and have a closer look. What is the shape? There you go, Puppy. It's not quite a circle. It's more like an oval. Let's look for another gem. This time it's probably going to be a different color and a different shape. The water's kind of murky. Oh, that's why. Big Puppy has come in too. There's no room for you on the paddleboard. Oh, I think this is a gem and it's covered in sand. Oh, it is. And it's pink. What shape is it? It's the shape of a circle. Let's put it with our oval. There must be more gems in the water. Let's go back under, Zuma. Oh, I think we see something. Zuma's flying through the water. Oh, look! It's a blue gem. What is it in the shape of? It's a blue heart. Aw, and we love our puppies. Let's put it with the other shapes and go back underwater. I think we can see it from here. Oh, don't step on it, Big Puppy. We don't want to bury it and then we can't find it at all. There's some sand on it. And Big Puppy's made the water dirty again. It's purple. And what's it in the shape of? It's a rectangle. Let's put it with the other shapes. We found all 4 gems. Now it's time to head to shore before Big Puppy tries to jump on the paddleboard. Let's go. Excuse me, Big Puppy. Oh, you shook all over us. It's getting a little windy, and there are some bigger waves. Hopefully, little Puppy can get down. Okay, you can do it. Everybody cheer Puppy on. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, he's a little scared. It's shaking the paddleboard. Lots of waves. Okay, you can do it. Try again, Puppy. No, Puppy, we gotta get off. He doesn't like me carrying him, so he's gotta jump. Oh, I think he's gonna do it. Come on, Puppy. Come on, Puppy. Yay! He did it! Good job! As we were leaving the beach, we saw the little ducklings with their mom. How many ducklings do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There used to be 10. Oh dear. Maybe there's one way. Oh, there's one. Come on, little guy, get with your family. Now it's time to play with Big Puppy. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today Kitty and I are opening a new Disney Pixar Cars toy called Mac Transporter. It has storage for 15 mini racers. And if you have a closer look, you can see that Tiny Treasures Mini has already opened this fun toy and put some racers in. This set included a red Lightning McQueen mini racer. And on the back of the box, you can see a picture of Mater, and there's Lightning McQueen. Let's open our Mac Transporter up and see which cars we have. Oops, one has already fallen out. It's number 86. And in the Cars movie, number 86 is Chick Hicks. But he's usually green and not blue. Next we have number 95, Blue Dinoco car. Do you know who this is, Tiny fans? It's Lightning McQueen, of course. He's just a different color. Here is our red 95 Rust Ease, Lightning McQueen. He's almost identical, just a different color. And here we have number 42, Cal Weathers. He's sponsored by Dinoco too. Now our remaining cars are little micro minis that don't go with the car set. This is a Hummer, and it is a very big vehicle in real life. Larger trucks and SUVs use a lot of gas, and they're quite hard on our environment. My next car will be electric, and it doesn't use gas, so it's much cleaner and better for our Earth. Everyone has to do their part. This little teeny tiny sports car is called a Ferrari. It's number 12. These cars are very fast and very expensive. It is made by Mattel and is from 1997, over 20 years old. The little green sports car doesn't have a number. Instead, it has ETD FC. It's by Hot Wheels and it was made in 2002. And finally, We have our huge monster truck with big tires. It's brown in color. Let's see, it's called Dune. It's rubbed off. I can't read it, tiny fans. If you know the name, please comment below. It's made by Hot Wheels, Highway 35. And this truck is made in the year 2002 as well. Sometimes at a monster truck show, the trucks will drive and crush old cars. Their tires are so big they can even go over top of a bus. Now let's see, are there any more cars on the other side of Mac? I don't think so. But let's just make sure. It's all empty. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today Peppa and Zoe Zebra are going to go for ice cream. And Kitty's coming along too. We have our Weebles ice cream truck. But as you can see, there's no ice cream inside. It just rings. There are 2 spots. One for Peppa and one for Zoe Zebra. Peppa will drive today. Zoe rides in the back. Off to find the ice cream man. He's in the park. There he is. It's attached to his bike. Oh, look, Zoe! It's ice cream! Yippee! It looks like there are... Oh, Kitty, be nice! She swatted my arm, but I'm okay. Peppa and Zoe, did you eat some healthy vegetables before you have ice cream today? Oh yes, we made a delicious salad with lettuce, tomatoes, carrots, and cucumbers. Oh, good job. Now you can have a special treat. There are 3 flavors of ice cream: strawberry, chocolate, and butterscotch. He's all out of vanilla. We'll have 2 ice cream cones, please. 1 strawberry and 1 chocolate. Coming right up. 2 cones is $10, please. Oh, Zoe, I'm going to treat you today. I made $10 on my paper route last week. Oh, thank you, Peppa. That is so nice of you. I'll treat you next time. Chocolate. Strawberries, delicious. Well, thanks again for the ice cream, Peppa. Oh, you're so welcome. Zoe's going to drive, and Peppa rides in the back this time. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. It's the weekend and the Peppa Pig family has something very exciting they're going to do. They're going to hop in their purple and pink musical Fisher-Price SUV. Hop on in, Peppa. Peppa buckles her seatbelt. So does George. And Mummy Pig sits in the passenger seat. She buckles up her seatbelt as well. Daddy Pig is driving today. The little piggies might get hungry on the way, so Mummy Pig has packed some freshly baked organic bagels to snack on. Good idea, Mummy Pig. Time to turn on the music. They arrive at the attraction. It's 2 giant dinosaurs. You know how much George Pig loves dinosaurs. It's a bit windy, but it's nice and sunny out. The first dinosaur is a Tyrannosaurus Rex. His name is Mr. Rex. He is 65 feet tall, and he's made of steel and concrete. Look at how big the toe is compared to Tiny Treasure's Minnie's hand. And let's look way up. Are you ready to see the second dinosaur? What kind of dinosaur do you think it is? It's a Brontosaurus. His name is Denny the dinosaur, and he is 150 feet long. And this is the most exciting part. We get to go inside Denny the dinosaur. There's an entrance through his tail, and inside is a gift shop full of dinosaur toys. Let's head in. See, we're at the back of the dinosaur, and we're going to go up the tail. There's a long flight of stairs and little dinosaurs to look at along the way. That looks like another T-Rex. Inside the gift shop, there is every type of dinosaur you can imagine. Which dinosaur is your favorite? There are even pink, fluffy unicorns. We look around very carefully, and George Pig is allowed to pick one dinosaur to take home for his collection. What do you think George Pig will choose? We've made our purchase, and it's time to head down the stairs and head home. This was a fun adventure for a dinosaur lover. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Daniel Tiger and his family are off to play a game. It's called the Beanbag Game. There are red beanbags, and there are blue beanbags. And the object of the game is to try and get them in the hole. Before we see how many we got in the hole, let's check in with Kitty at home and see what she's doing. Silly Kitty, she's just hanging around on the exercise equipment. Your legs aren't long enough, Kitty, to reach the paddles. Daniel Tiger got 2 beanbags in the hole. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.